Hey dear Python explorers, today we're diving into a creative coding journey, building a personal journal app. This project will show you how Python interacts with files, allowing you to capture and manage your thoughts easily. I remember feeling a bit overwhelmed when I first worked with files, but once we break it down, it's actually a lot simpler. Trust me, you are in good company. Our journaling app allow you to write new entries, view past thoughts, and even update or delete entries as you wish. Each step would go through the code line by line so you can understand every part of the process. I'll be using VS Code, but feel free to use Jupyter Notebook or any IDE you prefer. Ready? Let's jump in. To keep everything organized, let's first create a dedicated folder to store both our code and journal entries. This helps to keep things tidy as we build and use our app. Let's start with the code. Here, the OS module acts as a bridge between Python and your computer, allowing us to create folders and manage files directly. While the if not statement here will check if a folder named My Journal exists. If it doesn't, we will create it. This line actually creates the My Journal folder on your computer, while this confirmation message lets us know that everything is set up. Now let's add our first feature, creating a new journal entry. This will involve taking input from the user and saving it as a file with a timestamp, making each entry unique. This imports datetime, which we will use to create unique file names based on the date and time. Here we are defining the function to handle creating a journal entry. The entering text variable. This line asks the user for their thoughts and stores it in the entering text variable. This will create a unique file name using the current date and time as an identifier. Here we are opening a new file in write mode, allowing us to save the entry, while this line of code writes the user's entry to the file. And finally, this confirmation message lets us know that the entry has been saved successfully. Now that we can create entries, let's add a way to view all of them. In this function, this line retrieves a list of all files in the My Journal folder. Here we are checking if there are any entries to display. This loop prints each entry in the list, saving us from manually printing each file name. The else helps us. A friendly message informs the user. Okay, let's make it possible to read a specific journal entry in detail. Here is how. This creates the path to the entry we want to read. The try block attempts to read the file, while the except block provides a friendly message if the file does not exist. The with statement, like before, opens the file in read mode, which lets us view the content. This print statement prints out the entire journal entry for us to read. Sometimes you may want to remove old entries. Here is how we will handle that. This deletes the specific file by catching the find not found error. We avoid app crashes if the entry isn't found. We'll add functionality to update entries so you can build on past reflections. Here, opening the file in append mode allows us to add new content without overwriting the existing text, creating a dynamic journal experience. For an optional feature, let's display entries from newest to oldest. Sorting the entry in reverse order lets us see the latest entries first, putting it all together. And that's a wrap. You've just built a personal journal app with Python. In the next section, we'll add more features like organizing entries and updating old thoughts. If you enjoyed this project, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out.